Hey guys, welcome back to another Budgie Marx video. Today we're going to be reacting to Alex S. for something I forgot. It's been a long time, but anyway, let's get into it.
Sorry guys, so I'm gonna try my hard today.
Okay.
Actually, if it doesn't go well, I'm gonna do this, guys.
What is this?
Okay, I'm gonna do this until this can work.
Oh.
I'm riding my bike, guys. Sorry if the camera's a little bit off today. I don't have a GoPro, by the way.
Neither do I.
Guys, so really, I don't have a GoPro.
I miss riding my bike actually. This place looks like fun to ride one.
Oh my god. Guys, seriously,
Okay.
God. I know how to ride a bike, guys, but I can't just hold a phone with it while I'm using it, guys, so yeah, I'm gonna show what I'm using. But that's why I'm gonna get a GoPro soon, guys, so I can actually ride a bike.
When?
Well, or I can buy some like a special equipment where I can put like the GoPro on my hat. It'll be pretty awesome though. But I need to stuck into my. Yeah, I think I have to snap it to my hat.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah,
Is
guys.
that the dog park?
It's gonna be hard by holding the phone with the freaking bike.
I checked this video, it was like 16 years ago, I think. It was a long time ago.
What the hell?
I think.
Yeah, I can't even.
6 years ago? I don't know.
Try again.
That was a long time ago. Probably 6 years ago. Not 16, sorry.
Hold myself down. Oh, God, guys, it's so hard. Look, I know it's very like, but not with the phone. Hold up. Okay, guys, so it's on the road again. I'm on my bike still. I don't have a GoPro still, but I'm gonna use my phone just to record. Oh, God, could have fallen.
Is the quality like this?
I should. We could have got a GoPro instead. Need some type of equipment on this.
I don't blame him. That seems hard to do.
Play and just record. Oh God, I was gonna lose my grip for a minute. Yeah,
Is that a ballpark?
Oh.
It's cool. No.
Oh.
The heck? What happened? What was that?
Oh.
Pothole?
Shit. I'm not good with the phone because I'm holding the.
Bounce. Balance is everything. Okay. Agua. Agua is good. Honestly, this feels good to make videos again after some time. I should do this again. Should grab CGP, more new characters. New videos coming soon.
I heard a wolf or something, guys. Well, let's just continue running, guys.
A public park. Ooh, water fountain. Well, I don't think the water is pretty good right now.
Okay. It's hard running with the phone because
still nearly crashed into a tree.
I'm probably gonna get a helmet for it because I'll probably need to install the GoPro app as well.
6 years later, no GoPro. No GoPro, sorry.
It
never happened. Unless. Well, who knows? Is that Kevin? Was that someone else? Let's go.
I'm struggling with the bike.
Yeah.
I'm holding my phone to record it. So actually, if I keep it like this way, I think I'll do fine.
Cool.
But I just need something just to hold it. Frick like that.
No, careful for the water.
I think
Start
I can
playing
play
her?
like this, guys. Like this is the only option. Only with my other.
If you're gonna drop the phone.
Holding my other hand is what I need. That's fine with me. Then I don't know where my brother went, but okay.
I saw him there a second ago. Brody spawned. He went to go play Roblox. But yeah, no. I said I should probably buy a bike. Maybe make a video like this of my own with CGP. Oh, an RC car. And, yeah. CGP learns to ride a bike. It'd be fun.
I can still hold the phone like this, guys. Like, this is not fair. I can't do it with my other hand.
The camera is super wobbly. The good news is I don't have motion sickness, which is good. And there goes Kevy again.
Like, if I fall, guys, for real, man, I'm such an idiot.
Please don't. Fingers crossed. Don't.
Oh my god. Okay. I'm not running, guys. I'm just, like, riding my bike. Like, you probably didn't think in the think I'm
Careful.
running, but if you see a clip that I'm riding my bike, let's see. Dad just fixing his bike because he needs to put oil on it because the chain's too rusty. I haven't rode a bike for like a long time, guys, so.
Same here, and I still know how to ride one.
2013 or 2014, 2012 or something like that.
I don't have a bike. I want to ride one again. Those things are so much fun.
That's why I'm just riding my bike, guys. It's actually pretty fine.
Yep.
Riding my bike.
The wobbly camera.
Like, I know I've been in, like, usually, guys, I'm always indoors inside the house. Like, every single day, guys. Like, usually I'm inside my house every single day.
Something Park. Sunset Park, I think that's what it was.
Just outdoors.
Cool.
Today I'm going outside, guys, so which means I'm going to be outside today, guys. Okay.
Careful not to fall into the wood.
Who's that?
Yeah, he fell into the wood.
I could have fell in there. I could have fell in there, guys.
If it was me, I would have still kept going. But then I'd eventually have to stop.
Okay, wait, sorry, guys. I didn't need to talk to myself. Ah, yeah. Now we're back on the bike again. That person was just looking at me like, oh, that's all like, what the hell is she looking at me for? Like, I'm probably gonna get a GoPro.
That would be best.
I'm like, well, you're looking at kids. I'm gonna, yeah.
Ride. Forget the kids. Just ride.
It's nice to be outside, guys. Like, the fresh outdoors is nice. It's pretty awesome outside. I haven't been outdoors for quite a while now. Like, yeah, it's good to be back. I feel like riding my bike is more better now for me. Oh.
Don't hit the pole.
Jeez, man. Hold on. She's my freaking brother. See, guys. Oh, yeah, man. I'm gonna be posting this video to my vlogs channel. I think to my main. I don't know for my main channel, but
Main channel hasn't gotten attention. This one is practically dead. Mine, I'm trying to revive it. Kind of. Don't fall.
what?
Something Park. Guys, comment down below if you have been on a bike. What? What was that? Sounds so raspy.
Wait, what?
Hmm.
Oh, okay, no, sorry. Where did I think my brother go? He was behind the movie. I don't know. I'm going back to him now.
More gaming videos about to come soon.
So, me and my
Soon.
family wanted to go to the park though. So we're at the park. And my dad's just fixing his bike. Oh shit.
Don't skid.
These some good guys though.
Bro fell.
I just fell, so sort of.
Okay. Not the falling part. Yeah, the part.
Dude, if I fall down the street, man, I'm gonna. But, on my bike. Come on, faster. Hold up, guys. I'll try to get a little bit faster.
Dang, that creaking sounds pretty bad. It was like a, what, 25-minute video? Yeah, 25 minutes and 54 seconds. It's kind of long.
Doing pretty good so far. Alright,
What was
we're
that?
back up again, so now we're on the roll again. Yeah, watch out for those people that are up ahead of me.
If Alexis were here, he would have made a bigger burp. And onto the grass. Well, it's hard to ride on the grass.
Alright, so we're back on the run again.
I think he's riding. I don't know if
Usually
he's
I like to take this
walking his bike.
path because I really like it. I can take the other path.
How many laps has he done? Like 4 or 5? I don't know. I wasn't keeping count. Comment down below how many laps you think he's done.
Wait, I can't touch my legs. I can still touch my legs. I know what I'm doing.
Careful for the water. I think that's how he slipped last time.
Just scratch myself. Hold up. Ouch. Oh, it's gonna go away, guys. Alright. I think my dad is just gonna join with me in a few minutes. Guys, so. I'm on my freaking phone. I don't know why my dad's phone. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go a little bit faster. Guys, so.
Something parked.
I'm going a little faster, guys. Okay. I'll speed up in a few minutes, guys. You guys want me to? Oh no, I'm facing the thing. Well.
Next reaction video with this is probably going to be the built-in screen recorder, not Mo Bison. What I usually use. Yeah. Kind of curious to try it out. I think this is the longest one, like almost half an hour. Yeah.
Dude, my bike is so weird though.
That doesn't sound good.
It sounds as I fell.
I might want to check the chains.
Like, can I show you guys? Yeah, I think you know what it sounds like. I don't know what it is, but just. I feel like something's caught under here. I think I'm just not seeing it. Okay, the thing is okay. I don't know why I'm watching that ink thing.
Could be the brakes. Check the brakes.
guys, I'm just...
Take all the time you need.
Yeah, it's actually pretty weird, guys. I'm not sure why.
So, could be the brakes. You might want to check those.
Like backwards then. Apparently you have to ride this thing like backwards.
I've done that before.
Yeah, I think so. That's what you... It's actually a little bit weird when I ride it this way. Yeah, hold up. I just fell, so... Hold up. Let me hold this better.
What?
Fell like hell right there. Dude, if I fall down the street, man, I'm gonna... Wait. Grab my bike. Come on. Faster. Hold up, guys. I'm gonna try to get a little bit faster.
See if that works.
Alright, guys. Doing pretty good so far.
Yeah, he's definitely riding the bike.
Alright, guys, we're back up again, so now we're on the road again. We gotta watch out for those people. They're up ahead of me. I'm driving through the grass.
Wherever this place is, I don't know.
So we're back on the run again.
6 years ago.
Usually I like to take this path sometimes. Because I really like it. I can take the other path.
Also, for those who are wondering, today is Valentine's Day. It is February 14th. So yeah, happy Valentine's Day to those who are in a relationship and are watching.
I know about that.
For those, better luck next year. Hopefully, you get a girlfriend next year.
Just scratch myself. Hold up. I'll check there. Oh, it's gonna go away, guys. Alright. I think my dad's just gonna join with me in a few minutes. Guys, so I'm only my freaking phone.
A lot of editing to do. Dang.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna go a little bit faster. Guys, so I'm going a little faster, guys. Okay. I'll speed up in a few minutes, guys. You guys want me to? Oh no, I'm facing the thing. Well, I'm facing the thing the wrong way, guys, so well, I'm gonna fix that after I get off the bike. Oh, my freaking dad went broken.
Lol.
Dude, my bike is so weird though.
Hmm.
Weird sounds as I fell.
Will this thing happen again? Guys, is it just me? Did this happen again? Is this new?
Yeah,
I don't know, I'm so confused.
What it is, but just...
Did history repeat itself thrice? 3 times?
Just not seeing it.
If so, that's insane.
Okay, the thing is okay. I don't know why I'm touching that thing.
Dang. Oh, I don't know.
Oh, guys, I'm just...
Well, make some more gameplay videos. Not specifically Roblox, but like Minecraft or Terraria. Maybe even Azure Lane. Maybe.
Backwards then.
I can't believe the videos are messed over.
guys, and so that's what you. So I think we're gonna go this way. Yeah, hold up, my bike is fixed now, so that means I think it's just fine now. My bike is just fine, guys. So I'm ready to go back on. I'm on the sidewalk. So just normal. Yeah.
Cool.
I'm gonna hit this one, guys. So during this rest of the guys. So oh no, oh your turn, son.
Let's go.
Bye. It's Ash just behind me, guys. Alright, for real, guys. So I'm just gonna keep my own on the road, on the sidewalk. He does, and but he just actually following you guys, so I know what I'm doing.
Cool.
Not like last time. The rest shit. So guys, I'm gonna bridge clear now. I'm going at maximum speed, guys. I mean, this is not my best speed ever, guys. So yeah, my dash is right beside me, almost close to me, guys.
Don't crash into the grass. Those pole things right there, covering the grass.
Oh my god.
That would not be pleasant.
I hear I'm doing whatever I could, guys. So yeah, sorry I'm empty this channel, guys. So yeah, I'm still out doing videos still.
This channel's practically dead. Mine, no, not my channel. This one, vlogs, Alex Vlogs. It's practically dead. It hasn't received an upload in several years now. The last one being last day, Las Vegas. Might cover that one.
It's like the soccer games over back there. Yeah, everything's going pretty normal, guys. So
yeah, so far so good.
I might try to go on the streets if the cars come this way. But if I get ran over by a car, guys, I will swear that I might injure, but okay. I'm just gonna go on the streets. I'm just gonna go on the street. Let's try the street, guys. Let's try the streets, guys. I haven't been on the streets yet.
Alright, then let's go. Onto the road.
Dad's running on the streets right
Let's
now.
go fight the final boss.
I swear that if somebody comes, rams me over, I'm gonna die.
Dang.
I swear, guys.
Well, we see just road and the bike tire.
Back there, yeah, he's back there. He's fixing this bike again.
This low-key seems so much fun. Kinda wish I had a bike, but I don't. Not anymore.
Oh, you guys, I need to put this on the other hand. Okay, guys, we're gonna get back on the streets again. Actually, when I'm on the sidewalk, I just want to go on the street now. Because I want to make sure there's any cars coming over here. So I think I'm gonna have to put a back camera somehow.
Dang, that is bright. Something hit the pole. I heard that. Something hit the pole.
If he runs me over, I'm just gonna kill him. He's gonna kill me for this. Oh, my dad's now gonna follow me, okay. I ran through the streets. Guys. Freaking mom. What? Dad let me run in the parking lot. My mom just wanted to ride on the main run. She doesn't want me to run in the parking lot, but I don't care. I'll just run in the parking lot. Like, I haven't even ran over yet. I don't
No,
mind.
thankfully not.
Dad, Christmas, Mom, Daddy, Mom. Dang, you still on the freaking streets. Whatever, guys. Actually, I want to go on the streets now. I don't even care. But if I die, guys, it's my fault. So,
Well,
that's not being safe.
the sunset is beautiful.
So, I might get ran today. So, if you guys want to see you in the next video. Bye.
So that'll be all for this video. If you guys please did enjoy, like and subscribe and share. Ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss further content. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.